everyone, I'm Eve. Welcome to my new channel, Baking in Isolation. I'm going to be showing you delicious and simple recipes to help you get through quarantine. Today I'm going to be baking fresh fruit flapjack. Now, if you want to make fresh fruit flapjack, you'll need some mushed blueberries or any other mushed food of your choice. I have picked mushed bananas to go in the middle of my flapjack. You'll need 35 grams of oats, so I have weighed them, so it's 35 grams. And then you can have 35 grams of wholemeal flour, but I just had normal flour, it works the same. And also 25 grams of butter, so you need a little amount of butter. And also you need 25 grams of sugar. So that is all the ingredients that you need to put into the flapjack. After you know what all the ingredients is, you need to know what equipment you need. So what you need is a huge working space, or any working space you can get. Next you need a mixing bowl. If you're doing a lot, then a big mixing bowl, but I don't have much ingredients, so I'm getting a small mixing bowl. You need a small loaf tin, because it has to be small because it's only flapjack. And also, so you don't burn yourself, you need some oven gloves. I have got these oven gloves that I'm going to use. And of course, if you don't bake often, then if you're a child, you can ask your parents to help you use the oven. So, now I've got everything. Now we have everything we need, we're going to go into the making of the actual flapjack. First we have to start by greasing the loaf tin or buttering it. So I've got butter and I'm just going to start. Okay, so after you have done step one, which is grease the loaf tin, you have to mash the fruit with the back of a fork. So this is the front of the fork, back of the fork. I've already mashed mine up, but this is the technique you want to do with any fruit. Just push down until it's a consistency like this. Next is step 3. So you have to put the oats here, the flour here, the sugar here, and the butter all together, and you have to rub them together with your fingers until it's crumbs. So I'm going to start with my oats. So of course we need a mixing spoon. Let's use my ninja powers. Okay, so let's get half of this into the tin. I haven't got much, but should be fine. It's only flapjack. It can't. Beauty isn't everything. Okay, I think that's good. So after you have put everything that you've got, so it fills the bottom. Of course, you have to leave half left. You need to go to your fruit that you've mushed, and you have to put it on top of the layer. So it has to be a thin layer. Then is step number 6. You have to pour the rest of this on top of the mashed fruit. So I'm going to get a spoon. Just going to pour it on top. Oh, I don't think there's enough. Should be fine, hopefully. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Ooh. Next up is the last step, number 7. So you have to put this tin on a baking tray or not. You don't have to, it's your choice. But if you have a fan oven, then you have to put it at 160 degrees Celsius, a regular oven 180 degrees Celsius, and a gas mark is number 4. So next I'm going to put it in the oven. Of course, because the oven's hot, we need some oven gloves. I've got these really cute Jules ones. They're actually my mother's, but I can use them. So just hold it. Just put it in. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, so my oven has multiple settings. I put it onto the fan setting and at 160. So, also, whilst we're here, because we're all in quarantine together, we've got a school timetable because I'm at school still because I'm 9. So, try and follow this. So, the flapjack has to be in the oven for 20 minutes. So, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. At last, my flapjack is ready. Let's put on these oven gloves. I've been having them the whole time. Okay, it's time. Careful, don't burn yourself. Oh, looks delicious. So you get it out. So, this is it. It looks really delicious. When are we going to cut into it? Normally have to wait for it to cool down first, but of course I can't wait. I'm so impatient. So I'm just gonna hold this. I'm gonna just into a small piece. I'm going to go and get the plate, and you can come with me. So now I'm gonna go and empty out what's inside. I'm gonna get all the stuff. No, I'm only going to get one plate. So I've got loads of banana, but it's really soggy. It's actually not soggy, it's really nice. It's just kind of squishy because we didn't have many oats, but it smells so good. If you could smell through a camera, nice flapjack. So this YouTube channel is meant for like children and adults that don't know what to do with scraps of food that they have left over. For example, they had porridge that day, they've got oats, they have leftover flour from a cake they made. You can make lots of things with scraps and you just don't know what to use them on. And this is a really good thing for children to bond with their parents or grandparents or family. For example, my mother is filming.
Hi.
So cooking is a really good way of bonding, and especially because we're in quarantine, it's a good way to save food and not put food to waste. So if you have, for example, leftover bread, you can use it on something instead of throwing it in the bin. So, yeah. So, making food with your parents and when it's quarantine food is really crucial. You need to save food, not put food to waste, and it makes everyone happy. So, using leftover food and it's also helping the world, saving food instead of wasting it. So it's making everyone happy, it's making the ocean happy. So it's a good thing for everyone. And if you want to see more of my videos, please comment down below and give this video a thumbs up.